Have you ever wondered where the real wealth is built? In the stock market or real estate? Both have created millionaires, but which one is the better investment for you? In today's video, we'll break down the pros and cons of both investment options and help you decide which path aligns with your financial goals. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a surprising fact that might change your perspective. Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe to Investosphere for more financial insights. And let me know in the comments, are you a fan of stocks or real estate? Let's dive in. Point 1. Understanding the basics. 1. What is stock market investing? Buying shares of publicly traded companies. Potential for high returns over time, but comes with volatility. Passive investment with options like ETFs and index funds. Do you currently invest in stocks, or are you planning to start? 2. What is real estate investing? Buying physical properties for rental income or appreciation. More stable than stocks, but requires higher upfront capital. Can provide cash flow and tax benefits. Would you prefer investing in something tangible like real estate? Or do you like the flexibility of stocks? Point 2. Pros and cons of stock market investing. 1. Advantages of stocks. High liquidity, buy and sell instantly. Requires less capital to start. Historically, the stock market has provided strong long-term returns. Would you rather invest in something liquid and flexible like stocks? 2. Disadvantages of stocks. Market volatility can cause prices to fluctuate rapidly. Emotional decision-making can lead to losses. No physical asset ownership. Do you think you could handle stock market volatility, or would it stress you out? Point 3. Pros and cons of real estate investing. 1. Advantages of real estate. Generates passive income through rental properties. Tangible asset that appreciates over time. Tax benefits like depreciation and mortgage interest deductions. Do you think real estate is a safer long-term investment than stocks? 2. Disadvantages of real estate. Requires significant upfront capital. Maintenance costs and tenant issues. Low liquidity. Selling a property takes time. Would you be comfortable dealing with property management, or does that seem like a hassle? Point 4. Which one is better for you? 1. Risk tolerance. Stocks are riskier but can provide faster returns. Real estate is stable but requires long-term commitment. Are you someone who likes taking risks for higher rewards, or do you prefer slow and steady growth? 2. Investment horizon. Stocks are better for short and long-term goals. Real estate works well for those who can wait for appreciation and rental income. Would you rather see quick gains or build wealth over decades? 3. Level of involvement. Stocks require less involvement and can be automated. Real estate requires hands-on management or hiring property managers. Do you want a completely passive investment, or are you willing to be involved in managing properties? At the end of the day, both investments have their strengths. Stocks offer liquidity and accessibility, while real estate provides stability and cash flow. The best choice depends on your risk tolerance, capital, and financial goals. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button and subscribe to Investosphere for more expert investing insights. And let me know in the comments, do you prefer stocks, real estate, or a mix of both? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.